Now this is activity 4.6. For this activity, we need few iron nails, a hacksaw blade, a candle, a matchbox. Now what we have to do is, we have to put these iron nails on the hacksaw blade. Now how we can do this? With the help of wax. Now this you can easily see how it is being done. A drop of wax is spread on hacksaw blade, then iron nail is being put on it. So this way these 3-4 iron nails we will put on the hacksaw blade. Now using the wax is an easy way of putting these iron nails on the hacksaw blade. Now next what we have to do is, we'll place the candle in such a way that we can easily hold the hacksaw blade with the nails above the candle flame. Now this way we can keep it. Now it should be in such a position that the flame of the candle should be just below the hacksaw blade, where it can begin sending its heat to the hacksaw blade. Okay, now you can see, now the first nail has fallen. The reason is the wax melted and the heat transfer has started. Now the hacksaw blade from this hand, this is the hotter end, it started sending its heat to the colder end, that is the opposite side where it is being placed on that box. Now slowly, now you can see this second nail has also fallen down because the wax on that point has also melted. Now the grip is loosened and ultimately it will fall down. Now the third one will also fall down in the same manner. This indicates that heat is being transferred from the hotter end to the colder.